A server is a computer that runs applications and services ranging from websites to instant messaging. It's called a server because it provides a service to another computer and its user, also known as the client, is typically stored in something called a data center with hundreds or thousands of other servers, all running different services connected to the internet. There are many different systems in data centers to ensure that servers have continuous power, continuous internet connection, and are kept cold 24 hours per day. Did you know that there are data centers located all around the world? Many websites use these to allow you to access your content quickly from the data center nearest to you. The data center servers are built based on the service purpose. For example, if the server is only to be used for storing images, it might have a lot of hard drive space, whereas a server computing complex calculations might need a fast processor and a lot of memory. This is usually referred to as a server hardware, the physical components of a server. Once the server hardware is installed in the data center, a piece of code can now run. The code that runs on the hardware is commonly known as software. One way I like to remember this is to think of hardware as something you can physically touch and is difficult to change as you need to physically replace components. Software is soft or easy to change. You just replace the code running on the server. The surface a server can run can vary, but in this video you will learn about a type of service software known as a web server. A web server has many functions, which includes website storage and administration, data storage, security, and managing email. Another primary function is to handle something known as a web request. When you open a browser on your device and type the name of the website, it's the job of the web server to send you back to that website's content. This process is known as the request-response cycle, and you will learn more about it later. Web servers are also designed to respond to thousands of requests from clients per second. In this video, you learned about web servers and how they consist of hardware and software. You also learned that one of the primary roles of a web server is to respond to web requests from the client.